Hello students, today we going to start standard 3rd, our reference book, subject maths, and chapter number 5 to be continue, money, exercise number 5.3. Today we learn multiplication of rupees and paise, money, multiplication of money. So first multiply A. Here given 26 paise by 2 means 26 paise multiply by 2. So we will do this sum. 26 paise multiply by 2. Okay. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4 and 1 5. So 52 paise. Answer is, we write here paise, here we write answer rupees and paise. So 0 rupees and 52 paise. Okay. Now second sum given 35 paise multiply by 6. So 35 paise multiply by 6. Now we will multiply 6 5s are 30. So we write 0 here. 3 carry over. 6 3s are 18, 18 and 3 21, 210 paise. Answer, we write in rupees 210 paise. So rupees 2 and 10 paise. Now next sum 123 paise multiply by 5. 123 paise multiply by 5. 5 3s are 15. So we write here 5. 1 carry over. 5 2s are 10. 10 and 1 11. 1 downside. 1 carry over. 5 1s are 5. 5 and 1 6. 615 paise. We write the answer in rupees. Okay. 6 rupees 15 paise. Okay. Now question number 2. Multiply and एक्सप्रेस आंसर इन रुपीस. यहाँ भी हम ऐसे ही करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और आंसर को रुपीस में लिखेंगे. सो फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई 32 बाय 3. सो हियर वी राइट 32 पैसे मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. 96 paise. We write here answer in rupees 0.96 paise. Second number rupees 4 and 12 paise multiply by 5. So we write here rupees 4.12, 4 rupees 12 paise and multiply by 5. Okay. Now we will do multiply by 5. 5 2s are 10. 0, 1 carry over. 5 1s are 5 and 1 6. 5 4s are 20. Okay. rupees 20 and 60 paise. We write answer in rupees. Rupees 20 and 60 paise. Now next sum, rupees 12.05. Rupees 12 and 5 paise. Multiply by 8. Okay. Now here we write rupees 12.05 and multiply by 8. 8 5s are 40. We write 0, 4 carry over, 8 0 0 and 4 we write downside carry over, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry over, 8 1s are 8 and 1 9. So answer is rupees 96 and 40 paise. Question number 3. Find the product. So one number here given rupees and paise and we will do multiply. So 26 rupees 15 paise multiply by 6. 6 5s are 30. 0 3 carry over, 6 1s are 6 and 3 7 8 9. So we write 9. 6 6 are 36 and 3 carry over. Okay. 6 2s are 12. 12 and 3 15. 156 rupees 90 paise. So we write here answer in rupees 156 rupees 90 paise. Second, 9 rupees 24 paise multiply by 7. 7 4s are 28. 8 write downside, 2 carry over. 7 2s are 14. 14 and 2 16. So we write here 6 and 1 carry over. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. 63 and 1 we add carry over 64. So we write here 64. So rupees is 64 rupees and 68 paise. Now see number rupees 12 and paise 30. 12 rupees 30 paise multiply by 9. Now 9 0 0 9 3s are 27. So we write 7 here. 1 carry over. 9 2s are 18. 18 and 1 19. 1 carry over. 9 1s are 9 and 1 10. So 109 rupees and 70 paise. Okay. Now we repeat again. 9 0 9 3s are 27. Sorry, here carry over 2. We will do again. 2 carry over. 9 2s are 18, 19, 20. So we write here 0 and 2 carry over. 9 1s are 9. 9 and 2 11. So 110 rupees and 70 paise. 110 rupees and 70 paise. Now D number sum 31 rupees and 10 paise. So 808. Okay, 8 ones are 80 0, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24. 248 rupees 80 paise. So we write here rupees 248 and 80 paise. Okay. Next exercise 5.4. Question 1, divide. In previous exercise we do multiply, and in this exercise we will do division for money, division of money. So first sum given rupees 482 by 2. So we write down side number 482 divided by 2. So we 4, first number 4 we divided by 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 0, bring down 8. 2 fours are 8. Now 8 minus 8 0, bring down 2. 2 ones are 2. Okay. Now we will do subtract. 2 minus 2 0. So answer is rupees 241. Okay. Now second sum. 1 rupees 132 divided by 3. 3 fours are 12. Okay. Now we will do subtract. 3 minus 2 1. 1 minus 1 0. Bring down 2. Again 3 fours are 12. 2 minus 2 0. 1 minus 1 0. We write answer rupees 44. Okay. Now C number rupees 205 divided by 5. 205 divided by 5. 5 fours are 20. Okay. Now 0 minus 0 0 0. 2 minus 2 0. Bring down 5. 5 ones are 5. Subtract 5 minus 5 0. Now we write answer rupees 41. Okay. D number rupees 24 and paise 4. 24 rupees 4 paise and multiply by 4. 4 6 are 24. Now 4 minus 4 0. 2 minus 2 0. Bring down 0. Okay. We cannot divide 0. So we put down 0 here. 0. Now bring down 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 minus 4 0. Okay. The answer is and here put dot after 2 number. So rupees 6 and 01 paise. Now E number, rupees 36 54 paise multiply by 6. 36 54 6 6 are 36. 6 minus 6 0, 3 minus 3 0. Now 5. Okay, we cannot divide 5 from 6 से हम डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते. So put down 0, here also 0. Now 5 4 bring down, 6 9s are 54. 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 5 0. Answer is, put down dot here, rupees 6 and 9 paise. Rupees 6 and 9 paise. Okay.